Schedule E reports supplemental income and loss, most commonly from rental real estate, but also from royalties, partnerships, S corporations, estates, and trusts. If you own a rental property, this is where you report the rent you collected and deduct the expenses of owning and operating it. Enter your name and social security number from your Form 1040. In Part 1, enter the physical address of each rental property and its type, such as a single-family residence. You report up to 3 properties per Schedule E and answer questions about personal use and fair rental days. Enter the total rents received for each property, then list your expenses, things like mortgage interest, repairs, insurance, property taxes, and depreciation. Your taxable rental income is the rent minus those allowed expenses. Keep thorough records and receipts for every expense, and remember depreciation, which lets you deduct part of the property's cost each year. Rental losses may be limited by the passive activity rules. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.